There is, or there are. Matching verbs in English. Matching verbs with there is or there are depends on the number and type of nouns or pronouns following the phrase. Let's go through some guidelines. There is used when referring to a singular noun or an uncountable noun. For example, there is a book on the table. There is water in the glass. There is used when referring to plural nouns. For example, there are 3 dogs in the park. There are many books on the shelf. When using there is or there are with a combination of singular and plural nouns, the verb should agree with the noun closest to it. For example, there is a cat and 2 dogs in the yard. There are 2 cats and a dog in the yard. In the case of indefinite pronouns like some, any, no, or none, we use there is or there are based on the meaning of the pronoun. For example, there is some milk in the fridge, referring to an unspecified amount of milk. There are no cookies left, referring to the absence of cookies. Remember to pay attention to the noun or pronoun that follows there is or there are to ensure proper subject-verb agreement. Additionally, it's important to note that the verb form is used with the pronouns he, she, and it in other sentence structures, not specifically related to there is or there are. For example, he is a doctor. She is studying. It is raining. By following these guidelines, you can correctly match the verbs with there is or there are in English sentences.